Are you tired of struggling to make money through affiliate marketing? Are you looking for the best websites to kickstart your earnings? Look no further. In this video, we're revealing the top 8 websites that are guaranteed to boost your affiliate marketing income. From beginners to experts, these websites offer a wide range of products and services that you can promote and earn commissions on. So whether you're just starting out or looking to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, this video is for you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best and start earning more money today. But before we go any further, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Starting off the list at number 8 is the Shopify Affiliate Program. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create their own online stores. As an affiliate, you can earn a recurring commission on any new merchant that signs up for a Shopify plan through your unique referral link. The commission rate is competitive, and the cookie duration is 30 days. What sets Shopify apart is the recurring commission and the ability to earn money not just from product sales, but also from the success of the merchants you refer. Coming in at number 7 is CJ Affiliate. It's one of the largest affiliate marketplaces that works with a wide range of companies, including big brands like Macy's and Best Buy. The commission rates are competitive, and the tracking is reliable. The approval process can take some time, but it's worth it for the selection of products and services available through the network. What sets CJ Affiliate apart is the wide range of big brands available to promote. At number 6, we have the eBay Partner Network. eBay is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, and their affiliate program offers a wide range of products and services to promote. The commission rates are competitive, and the cookies last for 24 hours. However, the approval process can be strict. What sets eBay Partner Network apart is the vast selection of unique and hard-to-find items available on the platform. Coming in at number 5 is Rakuten Advertising. It's a well-known affiliate network that partners with a wide range of companies from various industries. Rakuten Advertising offers competitive commission rates, and tracking is accurate and reliable. One of the unique aspects of Rakuten Advertising is its global reach, allowing you to promote and earn commissions from products and services from around the world. With Rakuten Advertising, you have access to a diverse range of products, services, and merchants, making it a great option for marketers looking to expand their reach and increase their earning potential. At number 4 is ClickBank. It's a large affiliate marketplace that specializes in digital products such as ebooks, software, and online courses. The commission rates can be as high as 75%, and the approval process is relatively easy. What sets ClickBank apart is the high commission rate on digital products and the ease of getting approved. Coming in at number 3 is Amazon Associates. As one of the largest e-commerce websites in the world, Amazon offers a vast selection of products in almost every category. The commission rates are competitive, and the cookies last for 24 hours. What sets Amazon Associates apart is the sheer size of the marketplace and the ability to promote products in almost any category. At number 2 is the Flipkart Affiliate Program. It's one of the leading e-commerce platforms in India and offers a wide range of products and services to promote. The commission rates are competitive, and the cookies last for 24 hours. What sets Flipkart Affiliate Program apart is the opportunity to tap into the growing Indian e-commerce market and the ability to promote products specific to the Indian audience. And finally, at the top spot, we have vCommission. It's a popular affiliate network that works with a wide range of companies in different niches. The commission rates are competitive, and the tracking is reliable. What sets vCommission apart is the ability to find and promote products in niche markets that may not be available on larger affiliate networks. And there you have it, the top 8 websites for affiliate marketing according to Marketing Power Channel. Each website has its own unique strengths, so it's important to do your own research and find the website that best suits your needs and audience. We hope this video helped you in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks in affiliate marketing. Let us know in the comments which website you're going to try out first, and if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.